Gossip Girl: How Blake Lively Grew Her $30 Million. Before we start, I'd like you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Popping Luxury: How Blake Lively Grew Her $30 Million. The beginning of a successful career. Amongst Blake Lively's famous half-siblings are Robin Lively and Jason Lively, who have made appearances in many famous movies. But she had been getting used to the big screen even before she could get influenced by her half-siblings in the acting business. Blake Lively's first performance was as a 10-year-old child actor in the 1998 movie Sandman, directed by her father, Ernie Lively. However, her first performance did not inspire Blake to join the acting industry on a full-time scale. She instead chose to pursue her college education. It was much later when she was motivated by her brother Eric to audition for roles. The first opportunity she landed after auditioning was in The Sisterhood of the Traveling Pants, a movie released in 2005. Blake Lively made a breakthrough with this movie by acting in one of the female leads. It was also a significant hit at the box office, making about $42 million. Becoming one of the well-known artists, Lively gained further fame and money through her central role in Gossip Girl, which reportedly had been on television since 2012. The revenue from this show helped to increase Blake's net worth by millions. Simultaneously, she made appearances in the sequel of her first movie, Sisterhood of the Traveling Pants, and in New York, I Love You. In 2009, she received critical acclaim for her performance in Private Lives of Pippa Lee. Following this, she acted in movies like The Town and The Green Lantern. She also starred in the film The Age of Adaline in 2015. In 2018, she played another central role in the movie A Simple Favor. Her latest performance has been as Stephanie Patrick in The Rhythm Section. She is also expected to play the role of Celia Fitzpatrick in the upcoming movie The Husband's Secret. Endorsements, deals, entrepreneurship, and music videos. Blake became the brand ambassador for L'Oreal in 2013. It is reported her first makeup campaign. Blake has also been selected as the face of the perfume Gucci Premier. Her appearance in Gucci's Chime for Change campaign raised awareness amongst women about gender-based marginalization in education, justice, and healthcare. This campaign also attempted to raise the necessary funds to improve the livelihood of marginalized women. Blake Lively is not only a versatile actress, but is also a versatile woman in her life. She has also performed in music videos and had an appearance in the music video of the single I Just Had Sex, released in 2010. It was a song by The Lonely Island featuring Akon. Her next appearance in a music video was in Herself by Jay-Z featuring Beyonce in 2014. Mastering entrepreneurship. Part of Blake's charm and popularity is her frequent appearances on TV shows. She also stages herself as a celebrity homemaker with avid interest in cooking. Other than making cooking videos, the Hollywood star also launched her cookware brand. She did take it down for upgrading before relaunching it. This was her first ventures into entrepreneurship. The Green Lantern actress has always been candid about her dream of becoming a restaurateur and the owner of an interior decorating company. She makes an effort to learn the cooking cultures of the places she visits by taking special cooking classes. After making appearances and being featured in different prestigious magazines like Vogue for her grand wedding ceremony and cooking experiences, Blake finally created her website. This was a digital magazine website called Preserve, and it was launched in 2015 to promote handmade wares especially selected by her. Currently, Blake Lively has a fantastic net worth of about $30 million. Although most of it has been earned through her successful acting career, a good part of it also comes from her other ventures. When her net worth is combined with her husband, Ryan Reynolds, it sums up to a more impressive amount. Reynolds has a net worth of about $75 million, and together they have a staggering $91 million net worth. The couple got married in 2012 and have since lived a lavish life together with their 3 daughters. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen now because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.